morning everyone. Welcome to mathematics class of standard 7th. In my today's class, I am going to continuing the 8th problem of exercise 1.1. Here there is an information to you that before this video, there is a PDF for you. In that PDF, all 10 questions are there to copy you. Okay. So please copy those questions first and then go on solving one by one, because question and solution both together I cannot write it on the board since the questions are very big. Okay. Now the 8th question, verify. See here. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the given values. Here we have to verify this. A is an positive integer, minus b is a negative integer. Here subtraction of one positive integer and a negative integer is equal to sum of those two numbers. This we have to verify with many values. They have given here the values. See what to do. The first value is a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. Okay. Now see, we write the given relation. We write the given relation. What is that? A minus of b is equal to a plus b. Okay. Now here what is LHS? LHS means left hand side. This is the right hand side. LHS is a minus b. Okay. What is a here? 21 minus of minus 18. See, 21 minus into minus is plus 18 is equal to 39. Okay. This is what LHS. Same we have to get for the RHS. If LHS equal to RHS, then given values are correct for this given relation. Now what is RHS? We will see now. RHS is equal to a plus b. What is a? 21 plus 18. B is 18. That is 39. You see, this implies that LHS is equal to RHS. This implies that a minus b is equal to a plus b. This is verified. The same way, second, third, fourth are there. See now, this is first one. In that, this is first, 8th main. Second one, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. Okay. Now what is the given relation? Given relation is solution a minus of b is equal to a plus b. Here what is LHS? LHS equal to a minus b is equal to a is 118 minus of minus 125. So this is 118 minus into minus is plus 125. What is the answer? 8 plus 5 is 13, carrying 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 243. Let us see for the RHS. RHS is equal to a plus b. What is a here? A is 118 plus b is 125. Exactly the same answer. Okay. This implies that LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So this implies that a minus b is equal to a plus b. So this is the second problem. Up to here this is plus first one. This is second. Now the third, in the eighth main, the third problem, that is A equal to 75, B is equal to 84. Same way you have to do. What is the given relation? A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. So here, what is LHS? LHS is equal to A minus B. Okay. A is 75 minus of minus 84. So 75 minus into minus is plus 84. This is 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. 159. So what is RHS? Now we will do RHS here. RHS is equal to A plus B. What is A? 75 plus 84 is equal to 159. So this implies that LHS equal to RHS. So A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. This is also verified. The next one is fourth, that is A equal to 28, B equal to 11. A equal to 28, B equal to 11. So what is the given relation? Given relation is A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. Here, what is LHS? LHS is A minus of B. So A is here 28 minus 11. B is minus 11. So 28 minus into minus is plus 11. That is 39. 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3. Then RHS. RHS equal to A plus B. What is A here? 28 plus 11. That is 39. So this implies that LHS equal to RHS. So this implies that A minus of B is equal to A plus B is verified. So this is 8th main. You can copy this. Okay students, now the 9th main. See here, use the sign of, what is this, greater, smaller or is equal to in the box to make sentences true. To make sentences true means LHS must be either greater or smaller or equal to RHS. Okay, now that we have to do. We have to solve them and we have to understand. Here signs are very, very important. See here, addition of two negative numbers, subtraction of two negative numbers. Okay, what happens when addition of two negative integers and subtraction of two negative integers, whether that is greater or smaller or equal, we have to solve and see. See here, minus 8 plus into minus is minus 4. Okay, and box as it is we write minus 8 minus into minus is plus 4. Now minus 8 minus 12 is minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Here box minus 8 plus 4. See 1 minus 1 plus. If 1 plus and minus we have to subtract and bigger number sign will come. See 8 minus 4 is 4. Here which is bigger number 8. Its sign is minus 4. Now minus 12 is either greater or smaller to minus 4. See, minus 4 is greater than minus 12. That means minus 12 is smaller than minus 4. Here you have to use the sign smaller. Okay, so last you have to write that minus 8 plus of minus 4. Here in the box you have to write here smaller. What is given that? Minus 8 minus of minus 4. This is what the way of solving and understanding the sign. Okay. Now the same way B. Same way we solve B. minus 3 plus 7, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. There is a box. 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Okay. Now we will see minus 3 plus 7 minus into plus is minus 19 as it is box. 15 minus 8 plus into minus 9. Now see minus 3 minus 19, two negative numbers will be added. So that is minus 22 plus 7 box minus 8 minus 9 minus 17, 15 minus 17. Now see what happens. Minus 22 plus 7, 1 plus 1 minus, we have to subtract bigger number sign. 22 minus 7 is 15. What kind of 15? Minus 15. Bigger number is 22. Its sign is minus. Minus 15. Here there is a box. Here 15 minus 17. Bigger number is 17. 17 minus 15 is 2. Bigger number sign is minus 2. Now which is bigger here? Minus 2 is bigger than the minus 15. That means minus 15 is smaller than minus 2. So this is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 minus 3 plus 7 minus, sorry, it is out of the bracket, 19 box. In the box now you can write smaller, 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. This is what the answer, what is needed. Now C1, 23 minus 41, 23 minus 41 plus 11 box. 23 minus 41 minus 11, minus 41 minus 11. Okay, see 23 plus 11 is 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 34 minus 41 box. Here see 23 as it is, two negative numbers we will add first. 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 1 5, minus 52. Now 41 minus 34, 7. What kind of 7? Minus 7. Bigger number is 41. Its sign is minus. So minus 7. Then box. Here 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is also minus. Why? Because here bigger number sign is minus. See, this is minus 29. This is minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Then you can write the above given equation. You can write here like this. So this is what the third one. See. So here you can write 23 minus 41 plus 11. Here greater is equal to 23 minus 41 minus 11. Okay. Next D. D1 is 39 plus minus of 24, bracket complete, minus 15, box 36 plus minus 52, minus of minus 36. See here. See students, D problem. 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. 36 plus minus of 52 minus of minus 36. This is given problem. See, just we go on solving this. We get here 0. 39 minus 39 is 0. Is smaller than 20. Already you have observed these three. I think you understood how to solve. This is the answer. Then same way, this also you go on solving, just addition and subtraction. But only thing here you have to take care of the sign plus and minus. So here minus 101 is greater than minus 150. So on the whole this is greater than this side, LHS is greater than RHS. So copy these problems. Okay students, now 10th problem. See now, just I will read it. A water tank has steps inside it. How the steps are? Steps are like this, water tank. Steps are there like this. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. See here, M means monkey. Monkey is sitting here. Better I will write here. Monkey only. This is the first step. Monkey is sitting here in the first step. And then nadu sum ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲು ಇನ್ನ monkey is sitting here in the first step. Then next they are giving the instructions here. The water level is at the 9th step. First step monkey is sitting. 9th step there is a water level. Monkey wants to jump and come to drink water here down. But how it jumps and come? In one particular way it is jumping and coming. See how it is. First one, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. 3 steps down it is coming. Again 2 steps up. Again 3 steps down, 2 steps up. Like this it is 3 steps down, again 2 steps up. It is coming like this to drink the water to the 9th level. How many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay. See, if it is coming down is plus 3. Coming down is minus 3. Sorry. Going down always will be minus. Going up will be always plus. Okay. So now we will see first one in that. Okay. Now he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? See, first going down is minus, going up is plus. See, now minus 1, that means minus 3 plus 2. This is 1. Again minus 3 plus 2. Again minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. How I am writing? See here. 3 steps it is coming down means 1, 2, 3. It comes to here 4. Again going back. Coming to 4 is plus 3. Going up is plus 2. Okay. Now again here it is 2. 3, 4, 5. It is coming to 5. Jumping down. That is second minus 3. Again going up. See, from second to third, fourth, fifth it came. It gone to again 3. See, this is plus 2. Next, from 3 to 4, 5, 6 it is coming. Then it is going up to the 4. That is fourth finished. Now, fourth it is going. Now, fourth to fifth, sixth, seventh. 3 steps down. See, minus 3. From 7 to 5th it is going. Now, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is coming down. And again it is going up 2 steps. Then again coming down 3 steps. See, this is first one. This is the second. Going down. Again up. Going down. Again up. Going down. Again up. See, again plus minus 3 plus 2 one more time. So, okay. Now totally how many steps? See how many jumps it is making. We have to calculate now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and again down -3. Totally 11 steps, 11 jumps it is making. So how many jumps will he reach the water level? Monkey jumps 11 times. Monkey jumps 11 times to reach water level. To reach water level. Okay, this is what? A. 11 steps. Next, after drinking water, he wants to go back. B it is. Now, monkey is here. Okay, monkey is here now. For a second, monkey came down to drink water. After drinking water, again it goes up. Okay, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2. Now here 4 is plus, going up. Again coming down is -2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps it is going back again. See, from here to 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Here 1 jump. Again 2 steps down, 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? 3rd jump. Again this is 4th jump. Then it is 5th jump. Totally 5 jumps. Second one is, how many jumps will he reach back? Monkey takes 5 steps to reach back. Monkey jumps 5 times to reach back. To reach back to the, to reach back to the top. To reach back to the top. This is what? B. Then, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent the moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following A. See, third one, that is C. In that, first how we have to show, that is, see, -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 1 2 3 4 5 -2 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 2 -3. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 18 -18 1 2 3 4 5 plus 10, that is answer is -8. Then in the same way we have to do for the next one, that is 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. Okay, here this is 12 minus 4, that is plus 8. Okay, this is what the answer for the 10th problem. Once again I am telling you, I am going to give the PDF of exercise 1.1 and this is what exercise 1.1 completes here. So the homework is, you have to do the exercise 1.1 in the homework book. What is the homework? See here, homework I am giving here. Homework, solve exercise 1.1. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.